Hey y'all, what's going on? I am back for my DC vegan food tour part 2. Y'all, let's go see what DC about. We giving DC another shot. They deserve a part 2. All right, come on, let's go. Also, I have touched down in DC, and for the first place that I'm going to is called Bubbies plant-based burgers. So I viewed their menu online and they have an assortment of things. I did get their damn y'all, I don't think it's kung pao, but a chicken sandwich and onion rings. So I'm about to walk there and go pick it up. It is located on M Street Northwest. So I'm taking a little brisk walk. It's windy. Hope y'all can hear me. Okay, so in DC, everything is real close together. Here is Bubbies. I'm so excited and hungry. I definitely kept calling this place Bubbies, but it's probably Bubbies. Okay, y'all, so here's what I got. Here are the onion rings that come with ketchup, like a yum yum sauce. Let's bring these things out. Ooh. Ooh, that look bomb. And then I got their angry chicken sandwich, which is like their pow pow sandwich with cashew cream cheese, cucumbers, pickles, jalapenos, coleslaw, and garlic aioli on a sesame seed roll. Let's see. What in the vegan is going on here? What in the vegan is going on here? So, ain't too many sesames on this bun, but okay, there's a little bit of sesames. Okay. We got a red jalapeno. I thought jalapenos were only green. We see the coleslaw. We see the one. They're just oh no, two slices of English cucumbers. Y'all, that sauce is giving everything I needed to give. But let's taste it and see. Okay, let's bless the food. Let's start with these onion rings, which are very crispy. I'm gonna dip them in this yum yum sauce. Look at how thick that onion is. This breading around it, the flavor is flavoring, y'all. The flavor is flavoring. Y'all, I highly suggest these rings. These onion rings, I don't know where they're getting these thick onions from, but they are so good. And this yum sauce is yum. They didn't give me no napkins. They're trying to save the world, save the planet. Let's get to the main event, which is this angry chicken sandwich. Y'all, just what? Bless it, Lord. A1. These vegan chefs are really coming up with these chicken sandwiches. So, with this angry chicken sandwich, there's a lot of spice, but it's not like overpowering spice. I love spice, so I guess I'm biased, but it's not overpowering. The coleslaw balances it out, and also the bread too, from it being so spicy. But I love the amount of sauce that they use. You know, I'm a big sauce person, so that is really good. And the kick of jalapeno is giving. And then you also have like jalapeno cucumber, so that helps even it out too. So your mouth's not like on fire. I can feel the spice, but it's not like on fire where I'm like, oh my God, I need something to drink. Bubbies, angry chicken, you want some spice in your life? Go ahead and get this, and don't forget your rings, okay? Y'all, I only had 3 bites, 3 onion rings, and I'm already starting to feel full, so I'm gonna have a part 1 serving and a part 2 serving later. So this is very fulfilling. You'll pay a pretty penny for this meal. My subtotal was $23.99. So, but now that I think about it, that's probably average for DC. It's average for a daggone vegan spot nowadays. That's what it is. All right, y'all. Let's go to the next spot. All right, y'all. I know this pimple is pimpling. But anyways, today we heading to Soultarian out in, I think is it Hillcrest, Maryland? Anyways, not too far from DC, just on the other side of the DC borderline to get some soul vegan food. So come on, let's see what they're talking about. All right, y'all, so we have arrived in Hillcrest Heights, Maryland to try out Soultarian. All right, so here it is. It's in a shopping center with like a whole bunch of different stores. It's a nice little plaza. Oh, this is so cute. Like that little piece of broccoli. That is so cute. All right, let's see what's going on inside. There's not too many people in here. They see me recording, so I'll make sure I don't get nobody in this video. Oh, that's so cute. I love this art. It's really dope. Okay, so my parents got their jerk wrap, which they said was okay. Then I got the vegan mac and cheese, the fried oyster mushrooms. Then my brother got the chickpea salad. Then I got these fries from my nephew, and then some jerk drumsticks and some broccoli salad. Now, y'all, from here, the looks of this mac and cheese wasn't given, right? I was like, that's different or whatever. But I was like, you know what? I'm going to give it a try. I'm trying out new things, and I'm going to pray over it because we need God's blessing. Because I really don't know. I was really unsure, and I do not recommend. I actually recommend that they take this off their menu. Just to be honest, just take it off your menu. I could not eat that. I really could not eat that. Then the broccolini or the broccoli salad, it was just okay. It didn't have that much flavor. Healthy. Okay, so I was like, okay, vegan drumsticks, let's move on. I was like, okay. I was like, all right, these are good. These got some flavors. It's got a nice kick to it. Okay, don't interrupt my video. Y'all see me recording. It got a nice kick to it. I was like, all right, I could do with these. And I was like, okay, let me dip it in some ranch because, you know, the dipping is always going to give it what it needs to give. So those were good. And I was like, okay, moving on to this fried oyster mushrooms. This was the highlight of my meal. It was the fried oyster mushrooms. I go back for those. Dip them in hot sauce. They still good, okay? So thank y'all so much for tuning into this video. I will see y'all in the next one. I wish I had another spot to go to, but I just didn't have time.